What's up, guys? I'm at the channel. Today we're working on a semi a little bit. We got something to pull a seal out with. Well, hopefully I can do some custom work with this. And then you gotta get this thing put into the truck. And actually, yeah, little things here and there. But we're gonna get Shadow out tied up with us, and we're gonna do some work, get to work, and hopefully have a nice, smooth day. Hopefully don't have any crappy things with the seal, but electrical stuff should go real quick and simple. That's just drilling and then soldering and stuff like that. I don't think it's gonna be just getting that seal out, which is gonna be a pain in the ass, I feel like. Come here, Shads. Let's go. Dad's over there just buffing out the hood. I'm gonna let Shadow out come down. Come here, babies. Come on, babies. I get your leash over here. Come here, Shads. Over here. Come here. We're working over here. Come on. You're all there. Hold on. Untangle yourself. There you go. Oh, okay. Come on. Get you over here. Come on. No. We're over here, girl. We're over here. We're in this department over here today. We're in this department today, girl. I need, yeah. I don't know where I'm gonna hook you up to. Oh, I hook you up to the truck right there. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Just need a second. Give me a second. Right. Alright, so we got some of these cutters, so we can cut into the thing here. And of course, right from the Harbor Freight, because it's cheapest and it should work, hopefully. Alright, you guys should be able to see me from right here, so we're gonna start drilling this out. We're gonna take this out, drill this thing into here, and hopefully put that thing right through. So while we wait for that to charge, I'm gonna look for my grinder, which honestly it might be inside of the tent over there. I think it might be, actually. I'm gonna go check. What happened? Oh. Alright. So I'm trying to see if we have this thing over here. Let's see, it's in here. I saw it somewhere. I don't know where I saw it. Let's see. Alright, not in there, not in there. It's gotta be over here then. We need to see if we can get this thing. Alright, let's check out in here. I don't know if I left the grinder in here. I don't know if I had the grinder in here. Oh, you know where it might be? It might be in the truck. Might be in the truck. Very well might be in the truck. Yes, there's the second grinder. That's not the grinder I was looking for, though. I really don't know where that other grinder's at. I have one grinder that does not have... Alright. This is not the grinder I'm looking for, it's a grinder. Not the one I'm looking for. I don't know. I left one of them out. Shadow Waddle! Oh, that's why she's barking. You left her out here. You left her out here. There we go. Alright, 1, 2, 3. See if I can get this thing off. Shadow, I'm right here. Alright, got that guard off. Now what we're gonna do is throw this on. Alright, that should be fine. Shouldn't fly off. Shouldn't. Now, Shadow, don't cause a big ruckus in here. Don't get messy in here. Please do not do anything stupid in here. I opened the side door so she can get in here. I'm hoping she can just behave and not... Why is that blinking? Oh, yeah, I thought it hits the button. Shadow, hey! Don't do that. Nope, over here. Shadow, you're gonna get tangled around these engines. Come on, over here. Oh, ow, that hurt. Yep, that one hurt. Alright. It was a mistake letting you in this. You don't know how to get yourself unstuck from things like this, simple things like this. Shadow, no, Shadow, Shadow, you're not going very far. Let's go. Over here. Shadow, over here. You want to get out? Come on. Shadow, let's go. You want to get out? Come on. Let's go. Over here. Let's go. Over here. Let's go. Come on. Oh, damn it. You really are stuck on everything. I can't let you in here, girl. I'm sorry, but you just get stuck in here. You're going to get messy up. I tried. Oh, God. I almost ran into that thing. I tried. But too complicated. Alright guys, so I got this thing right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'll put this in here, put a mark, and that's where I'm gonna cut it at. Alright, so that's about how much we need. Mark's right there. So we're gonna cut this up, and then we're gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need to make 8 of them. Alright guys, so I got all 8 of these all made up. I use this to help rethread the ends. They're pretty much really good. You just gotta get rid of the excess, and then that helps close it off. So Alright, so let's get this out. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to thread this in by pushing and basically just ratcheting this through, basically. Actually, I might have to make this hole a little bigger. Alright guys, so I got the hole drilled up here. So I got this surrounded here. I gotta pull that temporarily, but that's basically how it's gonna go. Wire's gonna solder onto these, and then we're gonna just put this on here, zip tie it, and that's gonna be the wire that goes down to the back of the truck. Alright, so when you solder, guys, always let the solder do the work. You don't do, oh, I shot out my cutters. Let the solder do the work. Make sure that this is pretty tight as can be. Like, this kind of can't be terribly tight because of the way it is, but let the solder do the work. You let the solder sit on the copper, let it heat up the copper, and you're just gonna let the solder work its way down into the copper like this. Now you guys probably can't see like the greatest, but you're just gonna let it you're gonna put the solder at the opposite end, and just let this stuff run straight into the copper. So that's what you get. That's what you get. It doesn't look like there's any solder on it, but there is solder all throughout the center. Oh, so that's what you get. You get solder that's perfectly all throughout the whole copper and all surrounding it, making a perfect solder. Alright, so I don't know what the video caught on camera or not. I have no idea. But basically, I cleaned up all the metal here. Now I'm gonna get those studs. I'm gonna get these studs, put them through right here. I'm gonna weld them in just like that, and be good to go. Hopefully. First, I'm just gonna check and make sure that they all line up first. That's pretty well. Basically, I'm just gonna weld these all one by one. Maybe I'll tack them in first and then but we'll see how it goes. See what happens. So it's a good thing my welder works on 240 and 120. We work on both, so I can just plug into 120 and it'll work. It will work, hopefully. Never tried it yet. Hopefully it works good. I don't know how good it's gonna work, but. gonna go big boys right here. And Lily just hammered this freaking thing out. I think the thing gets sucked though. Aha! I got it out. That crank's not hot or anything, so that's good. Alright, that's perfect. That's beautiful. Look at that. Got her all out. Now we're good to go. Now, I think the crankcase looks good. I think the case looks good, so that's good. Hopefully. Battery died. I hope the audio's not too bad. The compressor's running right over there. But basically, we got the seal off. Now, we gotta loosen up this cover. Now, I gotta take the whole cover off because you gotta let this be able to move. And I feel like the seal and this paint's not gonna let this move. So I actually gotta take the whole cover off because I think it's gonna be stuck to there. So actually, I'm gonna clean around the edges real quick. And then I'm gonna all loosen up, get this fan off here, which is just 1, 2, 3, 4 big bolts back there holding this big guy on. And then after that, we'll get on to getting this cover off, and then I'm probably gonna wait a little bit to get things because I don't have the seal. I mean, I don't have the new gasket for here, but we'll at least get it off so that's ready to go. Alright, that works. That's one, Alright, so see, looking at this is definitely like a 40,000 mile motor. Either really good, well taken care of motor, or looking at all the oil on it, you would think it would be like a 400,000 mile motor. Or 40,000 mile motor. Let's say this, 100,000 or more motor. Let's just say that. When you get into here, it's like, oh my god, it's perfectly clean. It's like, wow. Now, the only thing I don't know is the gasket here. Now, this looks pretty flat here. Yep. Alright guys, so just finished up cleaning up a little bit. I got this thing cleaned up, put together a little bit. Got the old gasket out, which is right here. I do got another one of these. Kind of just cleaning up a little bit. I gotta go order some gaskets and stuff. I gotta just do another head check on what we need or not need, you know, so we can just get this thing in and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was like this, a little everywhere today, a little out there, a little bit in here, but at least got some action in here. Got a little fire happening, which, you know, scared the hell out of me. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like down below, subscribe to the channel, give it a taste of all dreams. Don't let anything get in your way. Stay Maverick. I'll see you guys next one.